My name is Kурmанбаев Акбар, and I'm a current student at 11th engineering grade. So I came here at 7th grade, and I came to the school because my parents heavily advised it, because at that time it was so cool and there was many activities and intimidating lessons. Well, I have plenty of my favorite subjects, but my totally favorite is definitely English, because I just love studying foreign languages, and after that would be definitely biology, because I am into those life sciences and that stuff. So I currently speak at 4 languages. Those are Russian, English, Kyrgyz, and Turkish. So I study at Алымбек Датка лицейин. Я учусь в лицее имени Алымбек Датка. Мен Алымбек Датка атындагы лицейинде окуйм. Мен Алымбек Датка лицейсинде окуyorum. Well, I'm not that skillable in Olympiads, but I did compete in some English and Russian Olympiads. We have many activities here, so even after the lessons, so we can do many things, extracurriculars. So regarding me, I recently opened my own startup pitching battle. It was called Startup Expo, and we held it in our girls' lyceum. So after the lessons end at usually 3:40, so we go and we usually have 2 to 3 hours of free time, and we usually use it to relax or to study more. So I am currently planning to apply to many universities, such as in USA and in United Kingdom. And with that, I have a large help of my college counselor, Ms. Rakshanda. So I'm glad, I'm pleased that she's helping me in that process, and I hope that I will make my lyceum proud and get accepted into those. So in US, I plan to apply to top 20 universities, such as Ivy League, and the strong ones, the powerful ones that are high in the rating, but also excel in academic expression. I took my IELTS test last year in 2025, and I scored 7.5 out of 9. Last time when I passed an ORT, it was 204.